Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy Father's Day to all the dedicated dads out there. I wanted to share this savory short rib and garlic mashed potato recipe with you all as a Father's Day dinner idea. I hope you try it out at home, and if you're interested in learning how to make this meal, then continue watching. So today I'm using some really nice short ribs, and I'm going to season it with Caribbean spice and roasted garlic seasoning, Montreal steak seasoning, green seasoning, blended up onion and garlic, brown sugar, parsley, thyme, and dark soy sauce. If you would like to know the exact measurements I used, they are in the description box below. Now at this point I'm just going to give that a nice mix in so all of the seasonings are married together before moving on to cooking my beef. I've added some oil to my pressure cooker, and once it's heated up, I'm going to add my beef to allow it to brown on both sides. Once it's reached this browning color, it took me about 8 minutes to get it to this point. I'm going to add 2 cups of hot water and cover my pressure cooker. Once my meat starts to pressure, as you can see here, there's lots of steam coming out of my cooker, which is my indication that it's pressuring. Then I'm going to time it for 10 minutes and allow it to pressure and cook. At this point, I'm ready to check if my meat is done. I put my pressure cooker under the cold water to help all the steam escape from the pot. You don't want to open the pot right away because then the steam will just fly up into your face, and that is no bueno. Another trick you can do is to take a spoon and push the pressure cooker knob up like I'm doing here. If you hear a noise, it is the steam still coming out of the pot, so you want to allow it to do that. Once you no longer hear anything, then it is safe to open. After checking my meat, I decided to pressure it for another 4 minutes, so that's 14 minutes in total that my beef has been cooking for. After 4 minutes have passed, my meat is tasting great. It's the texture I want it to be. I don't want my beef to be too tough, as we call it, meaning too hard to chew. All I'm going to do now is allow the gravy you see inside to dry down a little bit, uncovered on a high heat. Alright guys, there you have it. My beef short ribs are all done now, and it's time to move on to my garlic mashed potatoes. Once my pot of water has come to a boil, I'm going to add 4 chopped potatoes and 4 chopped cloves of garlic to it and allow it to cook. Once it's done, I'm going to strain my potatoes and add it back inside of the same pot. I'm then going to add 2 tablespoons of margarine. Then I'm going to use my potato masher to mash my potatoes. After this, I'm going in with half a cup of 2% milk, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and salt, MSG, and black pepper to taste. I also added some Parmesan cheese, and you can also add some seasoning salt as well. This is pretty much added to suit your taste buds. Alright guys, here is my finished product. Garlic mashed potatoes and beef short ribs. My dad really liked this recipe, and hopefully you will too. Don't forget to show your support by liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. I will see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.